Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how can you download Adobe Lightroom on your computer. So for downloading it, press on Window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Adobe Lightroom. So just wait. So here you can see Adobe Lightroom is showing. Now click on it. So as I have already installed this is showing as open, but in your case you have to install it first. So let me open this. So here you can see when I clicked open, it launched Adobe Creative Cloud, and from here you have to go to apps. Now scroll down and here you can see Lightroom is showing. Now click on this free trial. Okay, so as you can see here are some plans which Adobe Lightroom is providing. You can have the plan according to your need. So this is how you can download Adobe Lightroom on your computer officially. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.